Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Nice Gambia. Welcome back to your powerful and your most favorite platform in the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast of the Gambia. Well, before we go for that, I would love to say Ramadan Mubarak to each and everyone, to each and every viewer, right? We are in the last 10 days of the Ramadan. Right at the moment, we are in Bakau. Right at the moment, you can see here, go on my right hand side, you can see the Independence Stadium. On my left hand side, you can see amazing, amusing, proper building on my left hand side right here. It's all about the development of the Gambia, the new faces of the Gambia, the new face of the Moluland. Here go is about 1 month, 2 weeks before they will it will be the opening of the OIC conference in the Gambia, right? So Nice Gambia is here to cover you the best in the Gambia out of the rest, especially I, Lucky Child, the Gambia YouTube Messi, right? You can see I am the Messi of every Gambian YouTuber or every Gambian social media, and big up to the cameraman Pabaji, the #1 cameraman across the country, across West Africa. Big up to Abaji, the mastermind of Nice Gambia. Big up to everyone that working hard each and every day to make a greater name, a better name for the Gambia today and for Africa tomorrow. We stand, we strive, we work and pray that all may live in big unity, freedom, peace each and every day. Let's just guide and drive our actions towards our brotherhood. So day today is all about the OIC road project in the Gambia. In case anywhere you are watching, and we want you to like, please share our videos to the four corners of the world. So what we want you to guys do for Nice Gambia, we are working hard each and every day to make a better name for the Gambia today and for Africa tomorrow. So if you want to join in this part, to make a joining hand to African development, subscribe, like, and share the video to the four corners of the world. So day today, I am here to exploit the OIC road project within Bakau and Sitting Corner. So let's move further as we show you, or we see it together as one Gambian or one African. As I always said, if you are in the Gambia or other parts of Africa, you want to share your story with Nice Gambia, or you want to show all the development that going in your country, please contact the screen, the number, the advertising number on the media, on the screen right here, right at the moment. So let's go further. We show you what's going on or what's happening right here. Yes. As well, on my left hand side, you can see cement. There's cement right at the moment. And you also can have the security light that they turn on tonight. So a lot of works have been going on here in the morning. Abaji was calling me since in the morning just to come up and then to sort out. But right, it's 2:30 in the Gambia. I could not make it, but I'm sure we will meet some of the workers over there, consultant, the supervisors, and the workers. You know, they will tell us a little bit about the job. And the most amazing thing is 6 lane, the first 6 lane in the country. That's the OIC road project. And that's on the side. You can have the first 3 lane, and the other side you have the 3 lane. The middle side you got the street light in the middle, as how Costa Road is. So they have a lot to do, a lot to set on the road. So let's pray this project done and complete in peaceful. Gambian people use it for in peaceful. Because it's a project that, or it's a development that every Gambian will pass through. So you can comment and let us know where you are watching us from. And then make sure call the numbers on the screen. If you want to the whole world to know about your story, your business that you're doing. So I, Lucky Child, I'm here to promote the Gambian or African business, you know, representing Africa to the high level. There's Tough Twins. There's the model design, shops and office. book a space from now. 776 2333. 376 2333. Tough twin. So if you want to, in case you want to book us up, or in case you want to book our office over here, you can call from now. Tough also doing great and wonders in the Gambia. I can't forget my beautiful viewers out there in Germany, in Sweden, I'm in England, London, my people, Holland, my people, and I can't forget my big brother out there, Oscoli in America. I can't forget my brother Kachi Kalibambo. Salute to him, my ebadinsi, you know. And then big and ball up to each and every follower and every fan all over the world. It's all about Africa. So that's the compacting machine. The time I came, he was compacting around this end. So the compacting is really compact, and that's the, you know, the sobel for smoothing, making the place so smooth and cool. So can you show that building once more? Tough to it. The Pan-African building, this amazing proper settings over here. Uncle Mustafa Njai. That's the National Audit Office. Yes. How are you doing? What are they doing right? What are you doing right now? Leveling and
final level.
what is he doing?
Final level.
What's your name once again?
Mamadou Bari.
Mamadou Bari.
Yes.
Yes, so he said he's doing the final level. So he's trying to level, and you were compacting at the other side, didn't you?
Yes.
So can you tell us a little bit about the job at the first side?
Wow, liggéey bi liggéey bàyyi xel la.
Bàyyi xel la.
Waaw, liggéey xaw ma naka laa koy wax. Liggéey xel la daal.
Liggéey xel la pour mu baax.
Pour mu baax. Gis nga léegi dañ liggéey ba pare ko fii dafa am problème. So waaw loolu la nekk di defar nii. Yes.
So ko regular from now, later in future dafa am problème, dafa door di def i pax pax.
Problème, yes. Sa fii dafa fale moo ëpp fii. Dafa am pax.
So right, lu mu bëgg a def mooy leveling.
Waaw, dafa daga beneen side bi. Pour mu level.
Okay.
Wow.
So what's your name? You said something sour?
Mamadou Bari.
Mamadou Bari Sow. One of our subscribers was asking about your number. Can you read your number in case if somebody want to talk to you around the group?
Yes. My number is 3563651.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, after fear, you are to combat.
Wow. Super. It seems
like you know a little bit about that machine, because I see you supervising him, telling him what to do. You know something about this other machine?
Yes, I'm not seeing that tuti. Wow. So the level la, be my final level.
Okay.
Yes. So dapat take blade bi.
Okay.
So am space si ron. So lola neka di wan sa waji.
Okay.
Wow. So waruta neke nono. So lola koy wax. Yeah.
So now we see the point that we're talking. Yes. Thank you very much.
Wow.
But we are coming back when you are compacting. Your compactor? Okay. So can we wait for him or we go? He said he's coming to compact. ana di leen déglu nag booy loo ñu amal tey nag boo dama gis fii waaye laalaangu leen boor bii nii de
non boobu loolu dési rek
dési lañ ko laal
léegi day war a départ ci gannaaw ñu commencé waat loolu la paak di waaye ñu ne lu tax dañ war na def ñu ne ñëw start level ak défense
ah ok pour moto yi ñu mën a am fu ñoo jaar
waaw moto yi mën a am fu ñoo jaar ñu war ñoo continuer
so sitin ko na fale gaa ñu ngee joo foofu waaw kon kii suy dem rek ñu demaale ah ok so moto bi mooy taw si kaw ah okay they are about to comment how level it is and how smooth it is. So really cool. Moving further, but you see this other side, it's not yet compact, and they are not yet done on it. They don't level it, and then they are doing it this other side, and they said they want to leave this other side for maybe the free movement of the vehicles who are gonna drive away from the city, from city corner to the traffic lights over there. Well done, my brother. Shit. When you call my easy boy. Call my easy boy. Tilo ju baba kandiri nyame boy. Tilo ba hitala boy fam. Lung konko ba alban na fam sunga nyim boy. Dia im wikla en nole. Yeah, last 10 days only. But look again, see domi Adama la yalla de def. Off the road, she's finding a way to live out. So we're still on the OIC road project. Remember, Nice Gambia always in here in the Gambia for every citizen. Or every African citizen in it. He is not talking to us. Where be from there? Ah, okay. Badan ko lalan dun ni rek. One Gambia, nice Gambia, great Gambia, beautiful Gambia, proper Gambia. laying, leveling and compacting. That's what's going on today. And they're testing today, right? Oh. lan la noonu.
machine bi.
waaw machine waaw pa. so right now machine bi lan mooy joobam moom.
ngay test the maximum strength of tali.
tali bi. da dafa level da level.
non it's not about the level comme degré ya.
ok waa compacting bi.
so mu tax waa compactor yi suñu dawee dañ dee test compaction range bi ndax it's up to standard.
ok.
Romerio, how are you?
su loolu soo leen deful loolu maybe in next maybe 5-10 years time da ngeen di dellu fu am pax rek da ngeen koo liggéeyaat comme loolu la dee cost daf lay cost pax. Coba nggak sir?
Ada yang kubi. Mbak Eding apa?
Karena aku mau nego langsung dia komplain about the OIC. Cek. Sure. Ayo dia powerful strong message. Malah jam mau kum dan sidil ko na dem.
Masih exactly. Bumro pe ni romba tu ni. I'm not sure.
May mana harma mo ñëwa am na ne moom du ñëwaat. Boy. Apa yus? Terus begini. Salute to you all.
Yeah.
So nakala lifin bi compaction bi machine bi mu ne lan mu ngi ba. Mu ngi ba. Jabar ngeen. So pam danaka fii lañ stoppa compacting bi boor bi ni la stop suba bi moom daa bi job moo fi nekkoon heavy one proper job. So nga gis so moto yi fii la ñoo divert ñu demee na le yow security nga safety okay yaay ba so yaa ngi gis moto yi dee jógee na le ak moto yi jógee sitting corner ba ma waxee noonu am na subscriber bu comment mu ne it's not sitting corner it's sitting corner. You know, Lamensa, first name of the Nekuton Lamen, Banjul was not even called as Banjul. Bakau was not called as Bakau. Bakau was Bakunkang. Banjul was Bangjulo. From Bangjulo to Batos, from Batos to Banjul. Isn't it? So, Brikama was Birminting Yama.
So Sitting corner have a first name.
Yeah, it was a corner where our eldest people used to sit and chat. They talk of life, humanity. Come Kachadula, Bendula, come Okoinga for Lubato. So more bega sitting corner. Yes. So yes. So more kaya sitting corner. But ni ite munka comment ka fanya ko it's not sitting corner, it's sitting corner. Tell me the reason why they call it sitting corner. Let's go. Yes. I just want to make it clear. Like Banjul, Mbakau Satel kono kodi. Bakau was called Bakunkang. So why nindu na Mbakau kono ninko Bakunkang, I don't mention the name Bakau, you will not understand. Ini. Yes, uncle. Pawi cross. Mungyo manyo dem. Yes, Jeroyev. Allah guides. Mighty protect. One Gambia, yeah man. Yo saying alfal bukata je ka sije ka kashaje ka yanne mulka bonan kanifing dolni bonan kanifing dole bonan joswang dole bonan banjul dole bakaw bendulalem
so bendula am like during which time ga bendula is it sungoro or like
okay actually coming story nying nde fa kata no je kashala na bot nan no jogo la banjul in those days so after je, I kacha sometimes so je,
So
and
is it Banjul dokula dama like a siege kacha because
no. No. Bahaw ka benjele, Joshua ka benjele, Kanifin ka benjele, Banjul fang kanale ka benje. So isay kay ko sitting corner. En so sa nga foko ke kacha dula bantaba. So it only angale forek sitting corner. So no leftale no subscriber I understand. Maybe ate ulutala atare baje kumande kan sitting corner. I don't know the reason why. Yes. Iman Lamel Lodge de. Lamel Lodge was better to tender. Lamel Lodge. So after be tilo nka fay ko Lamel Lodge but say ni ko better to tender bi dindingol ni ko Lamel Lodge motu mo better to tender le ba fle hani. And in Silo. Okay, sir, in Silo. What is the name of this highway from Airport Johnson up to Stin Corner?
Batin Harin Highway.
But nowadays, Nice Gambia is calling it OIC Road. Gambian people are calling it OIC Road.
OIC Road.
As time comes, people will forget of this Batin Harin Highway. People will call it.
Batin Harin Highway, it can be forget because of
yes, I know.
To forget it's not going to be easy.
It's not going to be easy.
Because of, many of us men
used to that name.
Yeah.
But as time comes, young generation will not remember the name.
Yeah, Batin Harin Highway.
Thank you. Come up, man.
Unless you look at or you see in the address like.
Yeah, or hear it from people.
Yeah.
You see, even Gambia got a first name before it now called Gambia. Gambia was called Jamora. Jamora means let's unite. Huh?
So it's Gambia
Jamora, yeah.
Name after Jola name?
That was the first name. And the second name was Cambia. Nga Cambia ngadia. So the Cambia ngadia wala na Cambia. From Cambia to Gamra.
From Gamra
to the Gambia. And the Gambia is the only country in the whole world that you use the word D.
Why
the Gambia? It's because of the river Gambia.
And then that D is only 3 letters. And where Gambia used
that
D before Gambia?
The Gambia is because of the river Gambia. Now they remove the river, they say the Gambia. Instead of the river Gambia. Because the river is 3 times bigger than the land itself. So the river Gambia, because the river also is part of the country also is part of the river. And now they call it the river Gambia. So it will take too long on the map to say the river Gambia, and they now cut it shortly, the Gambia. The whole world, you cannot say the America, the Norway, the Germany. Can you say that? The Nigeria, the Senegal, it's only Gambia. We are well blessed. Well blessed. So when we are trying to educate, it's good for you to tell me, yes, lucky child. That was Banjul. Sitting corner is not Stin corner is not sitting corner is Stin corner. Yes, thank you. That's why today I'm here to educate you, to let you know. But I'm still reminding and recalling my people's mind that we are on OIC Road project in the Gambia, West Africa. Yes, salute. The heaviest project that going on in the Gambia, the smiling coast of the of Africa, is the Gambia, and the heart of the Gambia. Now, Africa is the heart of the world, the promised land in the world, the virgin land. So we got a lot to do in Africa. When we say it's a virgin land, we got a lot to do, and a lot of natural resources are in the Gambia. You see.
Welcome back to the OIC Road
once again, OIC Road, yeah.
So how do you see this road, Rocky Child? The way the movement and the activities going on? That's been not on there.
Yeah, the job is going well done. And the most beautiful road in the Gambia is this one. The most biggest road is the OIC Road project. And the advice that we got for the drivers all over across the country, let's drive safely. Peacefully, because the life that you are driving, the life that you are saving, it might be yours tomorrow. And then drive safely to save you yourself, your life, because you're also having a role that you are playing in your family or in the country. And let's drive safely so that we will not damage our beautiful street light, our beautiful road, our beautiful traffic light. And let's follow the rules of the traffic. And then, we have to make sure we protect our road, and then we pray that this road, this project, complete in peace and then every Gambian use it, or every Gambian traveling on it. We travel on it peacefully because it is for the whole Gambia or the whole nation. And
Okay. Now, I don't cut you.
Yes.
You know you give advice to the driver.
yes,
I want also give advice to the motorcycles
yes,
and the bicycle
riders,
on the
yeah.
highway.
Yes,
And this other motors comes now in the Gambia called KKs.
the Achekes,
No,
the
not
TikTok.
Achekes.
We call it TikTok.
Yeah.
We call them TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok.
Okay.
Anyhow, but you know, they are fun in I don't know,
Yeah, you know,
in
You know, for me,
Mhm.
the advice I would give for them, the bicycle riders, they have their own lane. You know, that you see where the off-road, the drivers on road where it is right at the moment, is where they should make a road for the donkey drivers. You know, for the full steps, for people to use it. You know, and also the checkers driver, the checker driver you are
Okay.
talking about, checker drivers, the TikTok drivers, you know, let them drive in a slow lane, not in a fast lane. And when they are driving, let them take their time. You know, when you are driving, you need to be focused in front of you and back of you and the sideways. That's why you got the mirror in the middle. You got the mirror at the sideways, so that you will be mindful and be careful both sides. If you are very good on be careful in driving or mindful driving, my brother,
Driver.
you're the best driver.
Yeah.
You're the best driver among the rest, because you have been mindful in and you are following the routes and the regulation of the traffic. If you wanted to drive fastly, there's a fast lane, drive on that. And then follow the routes. If you have to be drive like 60, don't drive above 60. Be 60 exactly or below 60. You understand? But you cannot see the traffic light or the traffic routes or the traffic signboards on the road is showing you that drive 60 and you're not driving 100 above your, because maybe you will be driving 100, your thinking capacity, or you yourself, you cannot control the speed of 100. You know?
And also, one thing I have to take in the Gambian drivers.
Yes, Gambian drivers.
Some of them don't know the rules and the regulation of the highway.
That's the main problem.
Because
Most of the drivers, they don't been to driving school.
Yeah.
Even they've been to driving school, the way our Gambian drivers drive, I'm sorry to say it, but it's totally, automatically, finally, definitely wrong. Yes. How will we say it? It's wrong. Yes. Because the way they drive, they don't know. Sometimes you see a driver that bend on this Johnson here without signal. You see drivers are driving without no brake light. You see drivers are driving, they are talking to phone. How could you be mindful on the road? You could be. You cannot be. So it's all about the project that's going on right in the Gambia. You can see the Davy job, what's going on today, and what we got for you guys. And little more, or more and more videos are coming about the projects going on in Africa. Maybe the next step will be Zimbabwe, maybe. Maybe the next step will be Cameroon, nobody knows. Maybe the next step will be Namibia. Maybe the next step is Ghana. So pray for Nice Gambia and join by subscribing and liking, sharing our videos so that you can see us anywhere in Africa. We got to show you roots. We got to show you cultures that you never see on none of TV. You're going to see things in other parts of Africa that none of TV show you. Trust me. Believe me, boy, ndi am telefon konko sang konko le binam fala sang. But pour na mol dem fana na subscriber ni na Gambia lol ni na mo fin dunkol. Ha. Here is the election house. boy so bàyyi xel di nga gis sa waa ji sa broda bi uba pa jam ma fo follow level in lebi jam compacting man start jam follow anja ye ñaato jana jale was sweeping la nga ñun trokol mu tay ñun sobulol ni ñun trokol jam ñun ñu winchal
I hope Sam to that other place where you came from at the moment. Think so it's already asphalt or no sorry it's not the asphalt. The how do you say it? Is it the black oil? How do you call it?
The black mastic.
Black mastic, yeah, exactly.
Yeah. After compacting and leveling it, after they will bring their machine. You see that machine they saw us.
Yeah.
They will check it either it's level. After they check either the compacting is really strong, and from there what they're gonna do is they bring the black mastic, spray it on top of it properly, so it will be like it's a mastic that will grab the black gravels.
Is that mastic protecting like stuff thing like water and this other?
No, it's like you see. Between the two shoes over here, like here, this one, this one is a leather, and this one it tack on the leather. So they put something on top of that will grab the mastic that will grab the, the leather, and I don't know how to explain exactly. Since that, we want for kila yung romba fale. Kila pa ka, kung na nyo be overtake. Aha, uncle. Lam? Yes. Iba level kan after compact lo binala be compact. So mbayo kan for Mr. Compact because ngaje la katambi jana. Atambi tal tenge ay mol wave. Pay jamale. Ñin bildino ñin la bo bola jere. Yes, uncle. Alimbara Araski.
Those guys there are the Guinea-Bissau people.
Where?
Guinea-Bissau.
Pa, otro ko ba mo na laba? Jiyo la bong kampo. Boy, troko nying kang kambale binakang. Alimbara Araski. Ala guide si all man. Uncle. Yes. Mo uncle sude boy, salda pa ka pare boy. Mfudi na banda bulod nang ka kong ko, nyiwatin ko na ka bulod dile ka kuwal samba. Ako pa mo sude. What a tangole. Yes, uncle. Jeff. Okay, wali ba ni so kana dyan na yar ko? Yeah, what a troko. Binumpa ka na jiyo la bomba. Yeah. hitting the world wide world. We are hitting the world wide world. We are hitting the world wide world. We are hitting the world wide world. Huh. Still on OIC project. Have a heavy job. Assalamu alaikum. Hey, semua wajib. Semua aja lang def nak. Alhamdulillah. Apa nyadi? Lagi gis nga ko ha?
Mana mau waktu ko tay?
Munalo waktu mo amut amna. Yang busy.
Billahi.
All good ha? Ana malang mom.
Dem na ni de. Taxawon na fi lu yaga tam mu dem ni.
Sidin kona.
Amna ko de.
A job mung fa si kanam fale.
Dem na dal ni. Taxaw na fi lu yaga tam mu dal.
May okay. Lo nak
Nagaw.
alhamdulillah.
Cool.
Yeah. Elang si jam.
Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah.
Man am na benn affaire bu ma jaaxal sama carte d'identité bi moo daan.
Fan?
Gambie fii laa daan mais xaw ma côté fan la mais côté jóg
Sa identité card bu Gambie ndax bu Sénégal.
non bu Sénégal la. Sénégal la comme ça bii boobu dama am sax dama ko photo ko. Ma am photo ko.
Okay, waaye original ba daanu.
Waaw original moo daan. Sans bi da nga dem si banque bi da nga dem si banque gars yi dina nga retiré xaalis. Nee la waa original bi.
Waaw sometimes. Waaye soo amee original bi si sa phone bi soo demee any bank you go to. So it's all about the OIC road project. We're here to showcase and then show you what's going on here on the OIC road project. This guy is from Cape Verde. You know Cape Verde? Namira no Senegal la afanga ñu ngaro ko Cape Verde wala. Cape Verde, yeah. But do you remember that one? That rock? Yeah, but I think it do different kind of jobs.
The one already compared by himself, you know.
No, they are marking the red dots. It's only the red dot. So that one will be driving after it.
Because it's a compacting machine.
No, that one is a leveler.
This one?
Yeah, to make it still very heavy. Yeah. Sama waji salute na la yoyit. Respect honor. Yes. We might see boy, Najee boy. Big boss. Jërëjëf man. Ba maa ngi sa gannaaw ba ma jiital la rek si kanam rek. Yi daan ngeen. Moom suy dem moto yu bari ñoo ko dee toppa. Ay nit yu bari ñoo ko dee toppa kay.
Yëpp opérateur si la.
Bu nekk sa job la yee. There'll be a big roundabout over here that will lead you to different direction. Waji, yeah, you say where are you cool? Waaw ñu dem ba fële Steam Corner boy dañu war a am suñ moto yi boppa suñ dem vidéo rek boy balaa ñuy pare rek dem nañ boy waaw mën ngaa ñëw waxal job bu mu dee def ak everything lu nekk di dox.
No, but my Wolof is not clear.
Yeah, you can speak English anyhow. Yeah. You can tell us a little bit about that truck, what it do, what is the name of the truck?
Yeah, it is. The machine is called Rygon.
Rygon.
It is the one which we use to mix, the stones and then the cement with the stones.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the other white machine? The white one over there.
The white one there is called albare. We call it
Albare.
as albare.
So what is the job of it?
Yeah, it pressed before the grader mix up.
Okay.
When the Rygon mix, albare comes and press the stones. When
Okay.
Rygon mix it, they come up.
Oh boy.
So the albare will press it down and then
before the compactor.
before grader comes. No,
Okay.
before compactor you have to
You
bring
get
the grader.
The grader,
which is behind
the leveler.
yeah.
We call it leveler.
Yeah.
Okay.
We call it grader.
Okay, grader.
Yeah, it's used to mix and then to level the ground, So that after then, when we are done with the grader, you bring compactor. This machine we call it.
Are you Gambian, Nini?
Yeah, I'm a
Gambian. What's your name?
Al-Hussein.
Huh?
Al-Hussein.
What's your position on the OIC road or RSK? Are you working on the RSK?
I'm working on the RSK.
Are you a
as
driver?
a line boy. No, I'm
A
not
line
a
boy.
driver. I'm a line boy.
Yeah, meaning what
Yeah.
does a line boy mean?
We follow these machines to command them or to direct them.
What they should do?
Yeah, our work in this position here, we used to work in this Rygon together. We are 4 in number.
Okay.
Yeah, in this Rygon. So we direct him to know when we connect with this water tank. We are the one who try to know whether to see the level of the water.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, sometimes it is too high, sometimes it is dry. So we try to communicate with the one in the machine because he cannot see in the ground.
Underground.
So we are the one who is supposed to direct him.
Okay.
So when we pass another level, we have to dig it to see if the ground is having water or the water is too high there. So we are the one who controls it.
That's great.
Yeah, that's
great.
our job.
What's your name?
Al-Hussein.
Al-Hussein. What's your number? If you can read your number in case.
With number
Your WhatsApp number.
3616517.
Can you say that again?
3616517.
Yeah, that's a nice Gambia platform. The guys are calling you over there.
Yeah,
I think they need of your service.
Alright,
And we are working to Sitting Corner. Yes. You take care. Stay blessed. Have fun. say better for Gambia, cool for Gambia, they are best for Gambia, you know. The OIC project. I have to thank you all for, yeah, the Gambia YouTube message.
Can you tell a little bit about the agriculture here? Here just Nako, people call it Nako.
Yeah, the little bit about agriculture. Agriculture is the oxygen of the Gambia and is the backbone of Africa.
Okay.
Yeah, when I say this, the oxygen.
You have to say this is the oxygen of the Africa.
Yes, the oxygen of Africa, the backbone of Africa, when it comes to agriculture. Because both east, west, north, and south, when you take a good look, all what you see is green. We're surrounded by green nature, agriculture. You know? Ñim fita fenkol fita la ñinti boy. Ngoy na musol jela musol da mal ka tra na xol to. So alim bara Gambian musol munul ba bantane munul fango bi ya munul bijang. La na xol ba grindin ne salatol ning kanjol ning mentongol ning kol dol. Boy, it's all about the OIC road project. Just trying to recall your mind to remind you that we are on the OIC road project. You see how open, big, wide it is. And I love to recall your mind that we got a lot to explore in Africa, a lot to do in the motherland. Baling Gambia no lumbar falale ko coming ko nice Gambia la bale bi jang e ka fondame ko OIC road project ko nying barem ba baxawle ba kunkang commencé nang ka bonan stadium mo ma fongola ka bonan tough twin working ahead to Stin corner. Let me say it as like Molta Tafola nyameng Stin corner Stin corner. So saying right now alia doko nyinjele doko nyimpita ka nyameng konka fale nyameng wati yani every time coming ko nice Gambia bale janne coming ka good video bondalier proper video bondalier mu yalon ko aba Gambia to dialale femu yalon ko ata Africa to ku yala nice Gambia bale wole jangola nanga platform woni fongo ke nice Gambia ti. So everything nice in the Gambia albo jelale, and I'm very very sorry minale otole mbanga continue OIC project oto ka tanale kominko bimbol to sombo tama kan kata Stin kona jang katanale mano nyang fango nyanda ka choki damen kata funti Banjul Gambia la capital city to right now wanyamente dim project ola mu yalonko atelem heaviest project oti Gambia kono andum project olem fanam mu Gambia nol nyafa ay Gambia nol kumfa ka ngam min comme ay Gambia nol nyafa Gambia yamal le bije mu yalonko nyindo ko nying ya appreciate le because development olem fanam ba Gambia mu yalonko Gambia fana la development of fanang samba nyatole andum fanam fen nim fanam Gambia la development li Gambia mu nyanda ke kan nganiyo ke nyokan kan kan jusota ka lanyo kan ka ke ngania kilenti pro doko nyeta amanke politique kuti wolsa Gambia sambano politiko ba Gambia murun la komala andong nice Gambia and tolbale janne ka ku bondalie without politique, how to change the narrative of the Gambia ka Gambia kunna falinyale ka develop without politics because political Gambia sendi koma bake ni ajube barasan hat jenno nyalle kan banko samba nyato. So nyin kusifa na ba banko to amut coming ko nyila bije wala ndolle nyanta kataraje e baje la nyindo ko keno ngake one hearty one love ka banko nyin ka samba nyato. So nyim project ko OIC road project ko lem Islamic conference o mu nyanta ka ke Gambia jang wole nyin conference house so nyin fanang ti wala na conference house o bijang wala tim fana yiba nyin lo silo lo kan 5-star hotel o fana wo dalil lo fana lat ne bo lo kan bara ne ala sonta fana nice Gambia fana box kala le jele andum fana ning Gambia ni Queen Sol nata ni King Sol nata e bitar lax la me ba tar la damen nice Gambia fana box kala le jele ni ala sonta inshallah rabbi. So nal fanan dala fakataraje ka Gambia samba nyato ka Gambia todia mum abakala nyamen kay alsa like aliasia ale video ñin sia so suma mbokk yi bokki Gambian yi right now gis ngeen ne video bu ñu leen di defal tey mooy OIC road project bi comme fu mu nekk ni ñu ngi doxee ko depuis jógee ko depuis Banj fii Bakau si boori stadium bi boori Taftuwin di dox rek di leen wonal job bu nekk di dem si OIC road project bi te gis naa xam naa ne gis ngeen ko kontaan da ngeen di kontaan lu ngeen kontaan tam Gambia kay ñoo ko bokk Gambia ñoo ko moom te développement bi ñoo Gambia moom ñoo ko war a bokk si benn xol ñu liggéey suñ dëkk bi Gambia ne ñun ñoo ko moom so nice Gambia la tam ku xamante ne tam yaa ngi si biir Gambia wala yaa ngi si bitimi réew yaa ngi bugg a share sa story ak nice Gambia the best solution bu nga war a def mooy mun ngaa comment mun ngaa call number yu nekk si screen bi pour advertise sa job bi sa business bi or whatsoever lu nga bugg a def si biir Africa so right now fii mooy diversion bi right ñu ngi lay wonal ne moto yi jógee Banjul nga bugg a dem nii nga jëlee nii ku jóge dem Baxaw si dëkk bi nga xoolee ko defa nii so here is sitting corner she sitting corner itself.
Here is the mango. Or here is the tree they used to sit.
Here is the mango.
Sure.
There's a big tree over here where our elder people used to sit before. Here is the freedom tree. Yiri fa soto aka yirole fa ate balu. So yirol siata no janne dami alanko alfal ka siya kotole num fanang ye kacha anu I can remember yiri dole ba non jang jamma fa wona ni student ol jita school. Ni student ol jita nan school rek boy ikana si janne to boy ka motol ni leaf ekaje ka sije buka wori fam pour kata yiro nyim ko to ka somaya but kabri ba nyi rodo nyi da kale o yiro nyim bota jambo aka remember that the tree it was somewhere here very big tree very big tree I'm telling you so nyilan stin corner di right number stin corner la tenting so maybe mun to drone so fonten dale no tamo mun ke ka bob Bakau stadium o bala fostin kono jang tama bale ke pour na Gambianol ye munul bi jang ani Gambianol fana mum babanta so right now stin kono jang even man operator fang mo ma nyana ka drive ka tambi 50 is x 30 40 it's not reach to 50 so it's all about our nation the Gambia for the Gambia motherland we stand we strive we work and pray that all men live in beg unity freedom peace each and every day let's justice guide and drive our actions towards our brotherhood. Big up to my cameraman Pa Baje, the #1 cameraman across the group. Kano killing, Nganya killing, one Africa, one nation. Africa we unite as one people, as Bob Marley said. Unification is the African power. Unification is the black power. We should be living as our ancestors have been living before. Peace and love, comfortability, stability, reality, freedom in Africa, the Gambia. Salute Alma. Yes. Big up to Mas. Yes, man. Messi like a YouTuber, they dribble without no wrong news, no sad news, no fake news about the Gambia and Africa. We're working hard to change the narrative of Africa, the Gambia. Hey, Switzerland, Messi. Police. Yeah, my people in France, my people in London, Norway, all over, group. I'll big up. Na fans will be big up.